You may have noticed that there are some games that feature walls that your character can walk in front of. In this video, we're going to show you how this is possible. To add walls or decorations to your game that heroes and enemies will not collide with, we're going to use the white block. First, I need to draw white blocks wherever I want my wall to be. It's important to note that we will not be configuring these white blocks, or this trick will not work. I'm going to hit test so I can take a look, and you'll notice that the hero is walking in front of these walls without colliding with them. Because I didn't configure these white blocks, there will only be decorations in my game world. Speaking of decorating, let's add some decorations to these white blocks. It's looking pretty good. Let's add some more. Now that I have my wall added, I want to add enemies or coins because without those, my game won't be very interesting or fun to play. Let's try adding some enemies and see how that looks. You'll notice when I add an enemy, there will be a hole where it was when it moves. This is because it has to share the same space with the white blocks. Because of this, I'm going to add some tall windows. This will allow me to have enemies and coins in the same room, and it'll look a little more natural. I'm also going to carve out a couple of doorways. That way it'll add a little bit more consistency to this back wall, making those gaps stand out even less.